today I would deviate a bit from my usual planner and journal videos to show you what's in my bag. So this is the Uniqlo Moon bag, and I have a yellow Totoro one because we love Totoro here in our house, so I just had to get this one. I think Uniqlo has a whole other official name for these bags, but I forgot, and everyone calls them moon bags anyway because they look like half moons. And I love these bags. I actually have two. I have another plain orange one, but right now this is my go-to bag. So as a planner and journal girly, this actually still fits a planner. I have to take a planner with me everywhere I go, but if I'm not doing a whole planner day or like doing a planner meetup, I'm not journaling anywhere, I just have this with me. This is not my work bag. I need a whole lot of stuff for work, so this is just the bag that I carry with me when I'm on an errand or just going somewhere near around the area and I don't want to bring a lot with me. So yeah, so let's get started. First, let's start with what I have hanging outside of this little bag. So this is RJ from BT21. I love BTS, so I needed RJ on my bag. All my bags have RJ on them. And then this is the Fresh Alco Spray from Watsons. Again, it's BT21, but this time it's my other favorite, Chimmy and Mang. So yeah, I love BTS, I'm ARMY. So these are my sort of ARMY charms, and I always need some sort of hand sanitizer with me. Okay, let's check inside. So as you can see, it's pretty stuffed. I like taking everything but the kitchen sink with me, so there's that. I try to streamline, but I think this is the most that I can trim it down to. But anyway, here is everything I need when I'm just going outside for a short time. Okay, so here is what it looks like. This is how I pack it actually. So the moon bag has a couple of pockets inside. So let me show you. Okay, so first up is the girly pocket with my makeup and all of that. So here is MAC Studio Fix because that's my go-to foundation for maybe over 10 years now, maybe 15. I'm not sure, but around that. Okay, a wooden comb because my hair is crazy and I need a wide tooth comb all the time. This is my favorite lippy because it stays on forever and I don't have to retouch. It's the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the color Seductress, I think. Yep, Seductress. And it's just my lips but better. I love it. And then I have this tube of perfume. This is, I'm almost out actually. I think I just have one more use for it and then this is done. This is Boldly Soul. It's Jo Malone and Zara. I think it was a limited collection, so I'm not sure if you can still find this at Zara, but this is my favorite, so I'm so sad if it's gone. This is the BLK eyebrow pencil. I love this because it's just so easy. It has this tapered end, and then you have this brow mascara here on the other end. I think this is from the Universal Collection, if I remember correctly. And I love it. It's just easy for me. It's been with me for a while. And last but not the least in the makeup pocket is this Nivea Strawberry Shine Lip Balm, because this is Jin of BTS's favorite lip balm, so I needed to have it. And then in the other pocket is a random mix of stuff. So these are my earpods with Psyduck, a Pokemon on the case. So cute. And then I have a random wrapper. You can tell I just used this bag. So these are Pei Pakwa candies. If you know, you know. I've had this weird allergic cough for maybe a month now, and these candies help me keep from having random coughing fits everywhere. This is actually not my favorite brand. I love the ones in the tins, but these are the ones that I could find in Watson, so that's what I have at the moment. Then this is a pouch with my sort of amulets, you could say. Uh, just stuff for protection. This is a Benedictine medal because I went to high school in Saints Co, and yeah, I'm a scholastican. And then I have a couple of crystals here. So this is smoky quartz that wards away any bad energy, negative energy. And then this is tiger's eye, which you just want with you for protection, especially on the road. Okay, so there's that. And then what I have, oh, this is the pastel inhaler from Thailand that I asked my teammate to bring home. I asked him to buy. It was a pasabay. And I love this, especially in the car, and I get car sick sometimes. I get dizzy in the car, so this really helps. It's an inhaler and it's so cute. It's a very tita thing. Okay, and then these are my keys. I have some charms on them, a whistle and a flashlight, plus just some random charms, a merlion and the letter J. I think I got this obviously from SG, or somebody who went on a trip to SG gave it to me. And then these are charms from Starbucks. So this is the Taurus charm. I had it on a Starbucks card, but that broke already, so I transferred it here so that my keys are cute. Yes, I'm the type of person who wants their keys to be cute. Wait, there's this random iPhone cable. Of course, I need a charger. So, let's put that here. And then, as a planner and journal girly, I need my everyday carry with me. And it's this passport size traveler's notebook. I have everything here that I need when I'm out and about. I have a flip through here, I think. I'll put it in this card. There's the link. So this insert has my kids' school schedule and school stuff, so that I have it with me at all times in case I forget anything. And then there's the pocket. I have a craft pocket also. And then this one is my on-the-go journal. which I love because I don't have to bring my full journal with me everywhere. And then this is the calendar insert that I need to replace because it's from last year. It's for adulting bills and such. And then this one is my random brain dump insert with all sorts of notes. Yeah. And some doodles from my kid when we're outside and he's bored. Okay, and then there's the pocket. And I have a Pilot Juice pen here that I really love. And it's the Pokemon one with Snorlax on it. Okay. And then this is just a pouch with girly stuff. You know this, girlies. Then, here's my wallet. I know I need a smaller one, but I have this Fossil Sydney wallet. I'm sure all you planner and journal peeps know the Fossil Sydney. So I have the wallet. And I actually love it. I just don't love the size. I need a smaller one. I've always had smaller wallets than this. But yeah, for now, I have this. I'm using it. And what else is here? It's almost empty. I just have some sugar-free candy. So this one is the Starbucks Classic Mints. My cousin-in-law gave it to me, so thank you. And then this one is candy. It's grape flavored from No Brand. I just need candy with me at all times in case I get hungry or in case my sugar gets low because I'm pre-diabetic. And that's it. It's all empty. Yeah, so that's what's in my Uniqlo moon bag. And that's it for this week's video. It was just a quick one. See you next time. Bye.